Hello children, today we will proceed with a new topic, poor people. Children, open page number 59 in your SST book. Poor people. There are many people who are poor. We can see them on the streets. Many poor people work in other people's home to make money. Children, there are so many people who are poor. We see many beggars, many children begging in the streets or whenever we go to the market. These people don't have enough money to fulfill their own needs. They work somewhere to earn money. Even they work in some people's home also to make money. Their children do not go to school or play with toys and wear fancy clothes. Their children don't have books, toys, good clothes to wear, good food to eat. They never go to school because their parents are not having enough money to send their children to school. Such people are called underprivileged people. So the people who cannot go to school, cannot afford to play with toys, cannot afford to play with so many kinds and varieties of toys, can't wear fancy clothes, don't have good food to eat. Those people are called unprivileged people. So children, we should be aware of their problems and not make fun of such people. We should try and help them in every possible way. So whenever we see in market or in street, if a children is begging for money or for food, if we can see some kind of poor people, then we should help them. We should understand the problem of them, that they don't have money. That's why they are begging. That's why they are asking to us. So instead of making fun or joke of such kind of people, we should try to help them in every possible way we can. Clear? Next topic is making friends in the classroom. Children, in your class you have so many students. Many of them are your good friends and many of them are just your friends. Sometimes there would be children in our classroom who have some disability or are from poor families. In our class only or in any of the school, any classes, there are so many children. Some children may be disabled, they can't see properly or they can't walk properly, or mentally they are not normal like us. Or there are some people who are from poor families also, who don't have so many varieties of things like we have. There may be children who are from different countries or from different regions of a country. There are so many people who are from different countries. They belong to different country, different regions of a country. Some differences are obvious. Some differences are obvious means very clear and known to us, like inability to walk or different skin color. However, some differences are hidden. Hidden means they are not known to us or we can't see them, like slow learning, or some children are weak, some score very good marks and some don't. We should always keep the following things in mind. So what are the things that we keep in mind when we are making friends in classroom? First is, children with disabilities have the same wants and needs as other children. Children, as you are having some want, as you are having some desire of having something. For example, when you saw your friend having a very good color of tiffin box and designer pencil and eraser, similarly, the children who are poor and disabled, they may also have some wants and some need. So we should respect and understand the need and wants of other children also. Number 2, a physical disability or physical differences. does not always mean a thinking disability also. Such children can also be very smart and talented. Sometimes we see so many kinds of people or children. Some children can't walk properly, or some children are walking with the help of wheelchair, stick, etc. Some people are so much weak that they even can't stand properly also. But that does not mean children that by mind and by talent they are also weak and disabled. Some physical disabled children can also be very smart and talented and score good marks. Number 3. Children with difficulties can do the same thing as us but make a little longer and might need help in finishing simple tasks. God has created different kind of children with different kinds of mind, thinking ability and talents. Some children can catch up the things very easily, but some children take a little bit time to understand the things. So, we should not make fun of those kinds of children. We should always remember that no one can catch a disability from someone by being close to them. Children, it's not like if somebody is not able to walk or somebody is not able to talk, then if you will be friend of that kind of children, then you will be also like them. No, it's not a transferable disease. They are disabled, but if you will be close to them, if you will be friend with them, then they will feel comfortable, they will be happy. So it's not like that if you see any kind of disabled children, then you will not make friend with them. Name calling always hurt, so we should never do that or bully others. Children, sometimes we use different kinds of nickname for disabled children, for making fun of them or joke of them. So we should not do these things because it really hurts them. Number 6. We should be friendly with them and involve them in all activities we do. We should be friendly with the poor and disabled people, and we should involve if we are playing any games. So we should ask them also to play, or we should play that kind of game which they are able and comfortable to play. We should invite them like all other children to birthday parties and special events. In your birthday or any special party or event, you should also invite disabled and poor people. Clear, children?